going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. And guess what we are doing today? Today we are going on a Only F cruise. Now, I don't know if the 800 horsepower supercharged white RCF that was kind of viral on my channel is going to pop up, but we might see that car once again. Oh my gosh, how did we end up here? Every day. Every time I gotta drive this car. Sheesh, yo, this just says 3.89. Yo, this is the cheapest I've seen. As I said earlier, we are going on an Only F cruise. Now, I don't know if we are going through a mountain. If we do, that means we might actually get some nice ass views. But there's only one way to find out. And also, guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, because so far, about 80% of us, I think 70% of us are still not subscribed. And thank you guys so much for the support so far. In case I didn't say, this cruise is actually hosted by Otis. Now, if you guys don't know who Otis is, he installed my headers, he installed coilovers, and also, I forgot to mention, he does have a supercharged 800 horsepower RCF. And hopefully his car is going to be there. I don't know, no promises, but I'm speculating it might be there. Oh shit, yeah, that was you over there?
Oh yeah, I thought you coming right now. Yeah. You know, I was saying, fuck, I'm late.
Yeah, yo, I said the same thing.
I was late. Yo,
nah, bro, I said the same thing. Yo, it was good, bro. You good? All right, guys, we did make it. Let's say, sheesh. Yo, I love these fall colors. Got my RCF over there, ISF over there. Yeah, there's mad F cars. We even have a Corvette. Corby. We got the LC folks over there. But yeah, this is all clean. But yeah, guys, we are going on a cruise. This is pretty much the itinerary. So shit, the roads are windy. Yo, Cat, you gonna have your eyes closed or open? Open, you sure?
I think I'm scared.
All right, let's go. Yo, guys, you guys think I should maybe obtain a carbon hood or not? I don't know. This is all clean. But anyways, guys, yo, which cold start is that? What? That's insane. But yeah, guys, we are out. So basically, just heads up. The first location is pretty much all highway. The second one is all back roads. The third one is a high top on a mountain. Shit. What? That's insane. And we got my RCF. Sheesh. Is this one RCF that is like going 10 miles an hour and he's loud as shit? And I know exactly who he is. So pretty much that RCF, the one in front of this ISF, is pretty much straight pipe.
Civic even part of it?
No, it's not part of it. That's why I want to pass it. What the hell? Never heard a car this loud. Huh? Alright guys, we just made a quick pit stop. Time for us to actually start going. Man, this is sexy ass. This is sexy ass IS 500. And there's a Lexus behind me also. I think an IH 300. But yeah, I'm trying to catch up to the group. I'm trying to do it safely. So I'll see you guys the next time I'm with the group. But sheesh. You know, something about an M3. Yeah, guys, so I still haven't caught up to them, but I'm thinking, how fast is everyone going? For me to be the dead last person, this is crazy. Second note, I caught up. So I did catch up thanks to the red lights. If it wasn't because of the red lights, yeah, I would have been I would have been cooked essentially. But yo, we caught up. Oh shit. Yo, that's your fire, bro. Yeah, that's your fire. Yo, thank you, bro. Yeah. But yeah, guys, we caught up and I gotta use the bathroom, but no way I'm making a bathroom stop right now, because then I'm gonna really lose them. Yo, man, this car is loud. It's RCF. But yeah, guys, I had to come out the car and stretch out my legs. We found everyone else, but I got a feeling that we might be leaving once again. That white RCF, yo, I think that might be the second loudest RCF after Otis's that I've heard. Sheesh. That's mad clean. This man has a gap. Well, no, this man has an Omni. It's fucking clean. So basically, I just had to go use the bathroom. Yo, I was holding this for like maybe over an hour, and I just had to go. Now, it's time to meet the rest of the crew. I saw some people go that way. I saw some other people go that way, so I'm confused. I don't know. I'm not sure. This one, too, is so clean. What? Yo, I love her carbon fiber fender vents. At least her... Yes, I was just about to say...
Okay. Oh, that's him.
That's crazy. Bro, that's like 5 miles an hour and he's stupid loud. That's insane, right?
Almost sounds like when I lost my car.
should be illegal. As we are about to start leaving, yo, this is such a beautiful turnout also. Turnout. And the weather was supposed to be a bit colder. Now I'm sweating in a whole hoodie. But anyways, clean ass GSF. Clean ass IS 500. Yo, that's clean. Wait, are we going? Are we not going? What's going on? This is fire. This is fire. This AMG is fire. Alright, I gotta go. Alright guys, so we are actually going to skip the second spot and we're going straight to the third spot, which is all the way on top of a mountain. And we're going through some back roads at the same time. What? Bro, this is a fire ass drive. But I hope I'm going the correct way though. That's the only thing. So far, it's only me and an ISF. And he's behind me. This is a view. This is a lake?
Some type of water, yeah. This is water.
Yeah, this is a view.
So pretty. Thank you.
I know. They're here? No, can be here. Yo, maps. What the fuck?
Yeah, we just...
Can't be. It can't. Ain't no way it's here. Huh? Alright guys, so a little update. We do have the ISF here, we do have Kayla and the RCF here, and what we don't have is the rest of the F cars because we are lost. So we're trying to get to the top of a mountain that we are currently on, but we don't know how to get to the top of the mountain. The GPS told me that it was this way. Obviously we can't go that way. So I don't know. I saw some RCFs going from here over there, and I saw some other cars going from here up there. So we are just confused right now. Yo, this guy's car is unbelievably loud. It's over. Oh, the cruise, I think. Alright guys, so this is the end of the cruise. Yo, I just have to say, Otis, if you are watching this cruise was phenomenal. Like, from the views to the cars to the just everything, phenomenal. And also, I had no idea that we would end up in Pennsylvania somehow. We went from New York through Jersey to PA. I had to ask someone, like, which state are we in? Because my phone had absolutely no service. So, and yeah, and she said Pennsylvania. So that's why. Wow. Anyways, guys, I do hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button. Oh man, long ass drive. Yo guys, we started with the food tank and we gotta end with the food tank also, you feel me? That's why we're about to do some gas right now. Some 90. Oh, yo, this shit is expensive. Not a food tank. We're gonna do a quarter of a tank somewhat, or a half tank, because this is expensive.